Hello all, welcome to Gradeup, welcome to the session Score Booster series for BARC EC 2020. I am Satya, Senior Consultant Faculty from Computer Science Department. Today I would be discussing the computer programming, which is a very simple, easy, at the same time interesting subject. So we may get considerable number of questions in the BARC exam for EC students. So I'll try to present the model questions that we may get. Okay, though it needs to be live session, due to my personal problem reasons I could not be available for the live session, so I am doing it in the recording way. So students, please understand, please go through the session, please listen to the solutions, and if you have any doubts, you are free to post the doubts in the doubts section, and definitely I will address all the doubts. Otherwise my team will resolve them. Definitely your doubts will be resolved. Okay, so let's get into the session. So the first question: which of the following is a valid identifier? Options are int, void, const and if. We know that for an identifier there are rules, like it should start with letter, or underscore symbol, right? And it should not be keyword, and there is no space in the identifier, and no special symbol except underscore, of course, and the length should not be 32 characters. So these are the rules of identifiers that we know. So according to those rules, if you see, int is a keyword, so it's not valid identifier. Void is a keyword, const is a keyword. If you observe here carefully, I is capital. We know keywords will be in the small letters or lowercase. So this is not keyword, so it can be used as a identifier, right? Next question: what happens if you try to compile and run this program? Int I is equal to 7, j is equal to I minus I. So what would be j? 0. So I value is 7 and j value is 0. Then while I, so what is while I? While 7 is what? Any non-zero value is considered to be true, 0 will be considered as false. Okay, so while 7 means true, I is equal to I divided by 2, so I becomes 7 by 2, 3. J plus plus, j becomes 1. Then while 3 true, I is equal to I by 2, 3 by 2, 1. J plus plus, j becomes 2. While 1 true, I equal to I by 2, 1 by 2, 0. J plus plus, j becomes 3. While 0 false, so by the time it comes out, j value is 3, I became 0. Printf j, so what is printed? J value is how much? 3. So the program outputs 3 would be the answer. Okay, next question: which of the following is invalid variable name? If you observe, no symbol is allowed, so it should be all the above. So all are invalid because throughout the name no symbol is allowed, as every option has the symbol here. All the above is answer. Okay, next one: What happens if you try to compile and run this program? Int I j1, okay, I is equal to 11, I greater than 0, I equal to I by 3. So initially j is 1, I is 11, 11 greater than 0, true. J plus plus, j becomes 2, I is equal to 11 by 3, 11 by 3 is what? 3 only. J plus 3 greater than 0, true. J plus plus, j becomes 3. I is equal to 3 by 3, 1. 1 greater than 0, true. J plus plus, j becomes 4. 1 by 3, 0. 0 greater than 0, false. So it comes out. Now print j. What is j? 4. So the program outputs 4 would be the answer. Okay. Next one. What happens if you try to compile and run this program? Int main of void, int I is 1, j is minus 2, k. I is 1, j is minus 2 and k. K equal to I greater than or equal to 0, or here one expression is given. In this, which has highest priority? And has highest priority. So we should do this first. So j greater than or equal to 0, minus 2 greater than or equal to 0, false. And I less than or equal to 0, 1 less than or equal to 0, also false. False and false is false. Now I greater than or equal to 0, 1 greater than or equal to 0, true. So true or false, or minus 2 less than or equal to 0, true. Now true or false, true, true or true, true. So what is assigned to k? True, we means 1. Print k, 1 will be printed. So what is the output? The program outputs 1. Right? Next question. What happens if you try to compile and run this program? I is 1, j is 0, k equal to not I or j. What is not I? Not 1. Not 1 means 0. 0 or 0, 0. So what will be k here? 0. K equal to not k. So not false becomes true, that means 1. Print k. So what is printed? 1 is printed. So the program outputs 1. Right? Next one. Void main int x. X is equal to printf barc plus printf isro into printf nic. We know the printf functionality. What? It will print and return how many characters it processed to the output screen. How many it processed from this? Here why I am doing this? Because star has more priority than plus. So it will process 4 characters. It is processing 3 characters. It is processing 4 characters. So this will be evaluated in this way. So 4 into 3, 12 plus 4, 16 would be the x value. So what is the answer for this? 16. Right? Next one. What happens with this? Void f of int I, okay, function is defined. Now int I is equal to 1, f of I. So from here I value become 1. I plus plus. I plus plus. Okay. So here I become 2. Came back. Printf I. If you observe, main function I is different, f function I is different. So when you print I, main function I will be printed. What is main function I value? 1 only. So what is printed? The program outputs 1. Understood? Next one. What happens if you try to compile and run this program? Hash include stdio.h. Hash define x as -1 -2. So this is macro definition. Int I equals to -1. Int I equal to I into x. So what is I? I is equal to I multiplied by x. What is I? -1 multiplied by x is not -3. We should not evaluate it, as it is substitution. Macro means. So -1 -2. Now this is evaluated like this: -1 multiplied by -1, which is +1, 1 -2, which is -1. So print I means what is printed? -1 will be printed. The program outputs -1. So remember, macro substitution means as it is substitution. Okay. Then next one. The range of unsigned int is, we know signed data type means which accepts both positive and negative. Unsigned data type means which accepts only positive. Now if any data type has n bits width, for signed the range would be -2 power n minus 1 to plus 2 power n minus 1 minus 1, because the positive range starts with 0. And if it is only positive, all are positive, then 0 to 2 raised to n minus 1. Here unsigned int. So int capacity, normal capacity is 2 bytes or 16 bits. So what is n? 16 bits. So for unsigned, what would be the range? 0 to 2 raised to 16 minus 1. That is 65,535. So what is the range of unsigned integer? 0 to 65,535. If it is signed, minus 32,768 to plus 32,767 would be the answer if it is signed. Understood? Next question. Which of the following converts high level language to machine language, all the code at a time? We know there are two translators which convert high level to machine language. What are they? Compiler, interpreter. Compiler translates all the code at a time, while interpreter translates line by line at a time. So for this, all the code at a time, so what would be the answer? Compiler. Okay, next one. What happens if you try to run this program? I is equal to 0, j is equal to 1. I left shift j, j left shift I. There is arithmetic operator. We know arithmetic operator has more priority. So what is j1? So this would be like this: I less than, first j plus j will be evaluated. 1 plus 1, 2, less than I. So this will be converting into this way. Now we know if any value a shifted left by n times, that is equivalent to a multiplied by 2 power n. Similarly, if it is shifted right by n times, that is equivalent to a divisible by 2 power n. So this is like I less than 2. I shifted 2 times. So this would be I is 0 multiplied by 2 square, this is again 0, that is again shifted left by 2 times, that again will be 0. So what is k value? 0. So the program outputs 0 would be the answer. So left shift is equivalent to multiplication by 2, right shift division by 2. Next question. What is the value of the var variable at the end of the following snippet? Var equal to 2, var is equal to 2 into 2, 4, var is equal to 4 plus 4, 8, var is equal to 8 by 8, 1, var is equal to 1 mod 1, remainder 0. So what is the final value of var? 0. Next one. What's the value of xy at the end of the following snippet? X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. X is equal to x plus y. So x plus plus will make x value from first that returns, because this is post increment, that will return 2 and then it increment plus y. Initially y value is 3, now it increment that to 4, that is returned. So what becomes answer? 6, that is stored back in x. So x got 6. That is first line. Second line, y is equal to y plus x. So y is equal to y plus plus, it is post increment. So first it will give the available value, then it will increment that to 5 plus x, pre increment. So first increment and then assign the value. So 4 plus 7, that is 11, assigned to y. So now what are the x and y values at the end of this snippet? 7, 11. Okay. Next question. What happens if you try to compile and run this program? Let's see. X is equal to 1.5, y is equal to 2.0, I2, J3. X is equal to x into y, 1.5 into 2.0, that is 3.0000000 plus I by j, 2 by 3, which is 0. So that is 3.0 plus 0, that is 3.0 only. But as we are printing it as a floating point number, that is printed as 3.6 fractional digits, because it is float. So the output will be 3.000000. Simple. Okay. Next one. Int t equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, star p is equal to t. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the array t, and p is pointing at the starting element. Star p plus plus. Star p plus plus means p will point to next element. Now star p, which is in brackets. So what is the value at this? 2 plus plus. So 2 becomes 3. Star p plus plus. So now p points to this. Print p of minus 1. This is what? P plus 0, p plus 1, p plus 2. What would be p minus 1? The previous value. Star previous value. So what is star of p minus 1. What is p of minus 1 is equal to value at p of value at p minus 1. What is that? 3. So what is the output? The program outputs 3. Next one. Int t of 2 comma 2. So it is a 2D array. Four elements total: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 2 4 8 are the values. For I equal to 2, I minus is equal to 2. Okay, j equal to 1, j less than 2, 1 less than 2, true. Then s is equal to s plus t of I minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, j 1. What is t of 1 1 8? That is added to s. Initially s value 0. So what would be s? 8. Initially s was 0. Now it becomes 8. Then j becomes 1 plus 2 3. Inner loop is false. Now I becomes 2 minus 2 0. Outer loop is also false. So print s. What will be printed? What is s value? 8. So the program outputs 8 will be the answer. Understood? Next question. What happens if you try to compile and run this program? Char s of 10 is equal to a, b, c, d, e. So we have got a string a, b, c, d, e, but 10 character space is allocated as you have given it as s of 10. The last character will be null character. Their index will be 0 to 9. Star p is equal to s plus 3. When this is s plus 0, this will be s plus 3. So p is pointing here. Print p of 1. What is p? If this is p, what would be p of 1? Value at p plus 1. So p of 1 will be e. P of minus 1, previous value at previous address, that is c. So c minus, it is e minus c. It happens in ASCII. However, we can see that there is 2 alphabet difference. So we can say the program outputs 2. So what would be this value? 2. Like its value will be in the ASCII is 71 minus 69. Sorry, 70 minus 68, which is 2. Understood? Next question. I3 j equal to I minus 2. So j becomes 3 minus 2, 1. Switch off I plus 2, 3 plus 2. So this will be switch off 5. Case 1, case 2, no case is matching, so default. What default will do? J value to 0. As there is no break after default, further statement also execute. J plus plus, it again make it as 1, break. Print j. So what is printed? 1 is printed. So the program outputs 1 will be the answer for this. Right? Next question. Int t of 5, t of 4 is equal to 0. For I3, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. Okay. So t of 5, I3, T of 4 is initially 0. I3, 3 greater than or equal to 0, true. T of I is equal to, so T of 3 is equal to T of 4 into 3. What is T of 4? 0 multiplied by 3, that is 0. Then I becomes 2. T of 2 is equal to, that is also multiplied by T of 4. So everything is multiplied by T of 4. So what will be all the values? Zeros. Now print T of 0. What is T of 0 also? 0. So the program outputs 0. So these are the model questions that I would like to discuss for BARC EC students from computer programming. So as you are from EC background, definitely you will get simple model questions. But only thing is, you should be attentive. You should know the basics of C programming. You should know how a loop execute, how a function call gets executed, what is pointer, what is the increment of pointer means, what is that P of 1, P of minus 1 terminology means. So this kind of simple stuff, if you know, that would be more than enough to attempt questions in BARC exam. Okay. So try to get green card access, which gives you access for all mock tests, right? So that's all, guys. So you keep preparing, and I wish you all the very best for your BARC exam. Okay. Prep smart, score better, go Gradeup.